Welcome to the fascinating world of ancient Greek innovation. Today, we're going to explore one of the most intriguing artifacts from the ancient world, the Antikythera Mechanism. This intricate mechanical device has captivated historians and scientists for centuries, and its secrets are still being uncovered today. The Antikythera Mechanism was discovered in 1900 by a group of Greek sponge divers off the coast of the island of Antikythera. The device was found in a shipwreck, buried under centuries of sediment and debris. Initial estimates date the mechanism back to around 100 BC, making it over 2,000 years old. The Antikythera Mechanism is an analog computer that tracked astronomical and calendrical data with remarkable precision. The device consists of over 30 gears, dials, and inscriptions that work together to calculate lunar and solar eclipses, planetary positions, and even the timing of the Olympic Games. One of the most impressive features of the Antikythera Mechanism is its ability to track astronomical events. The device could calculate the timing of solar and lunar eclipses, as well as the positions of celestial bodies like the Sun, Moon, and planets. The Antikythera Mechanism showcases advanced engineering techniques, such as differential gears and epicyclic gearing. These innovations allowed the device to perform complex calculations with remarkable accuracy. The Antikythera Mechanism is a testament to the ingenuity and innovation of ancient Greek civilization. Its complexity and sophistication have sparked debates about its origins and purpose, and it remains one of the most fascinating artifacts from the ancient world. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the Antikythera Mechanism. If you have any questions or topics you'd like to explore further, feel free to ask.
That's a wrap. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe for more engaging stories, quizzes, and insightful content. Connect with us on Instagram and Facebook, EduForge Building Brilliance. Keep an eye out.